Nalaga ta sika dito mami Nigeria. Magsibuta.
Do you speak Nigeria English?
No, no, no.
You
No.
don't speak Nigeria English.
No, no.
You say, how are you?
How are you?
Yes, in Nigeria.
Yeah. I
Okay,
teach you
India.
to speak. I'm fine.
Yeah. Yes, teach me.
I teach you. Yaw
Hey,
pakaw
teach you.
ka. Kid said, you said, yaw pakaw ka.
Yo pakai longa.
Yaw pakaw ka.
Not India.
No. I teach you. I teach you. Just trust me.
Teach me India. India.
Huh?
Teach me India.
Okay, okay, fine. Wait, wait. You said, Mia upakaw luakan.
Mia opakau leakau.
Yan lang ikaw